If you don't have a closet in your space, let me show you this metal wardrobe cabinet that could be a great alternative. Mine is the 71-inch model with 3 drawers, but they do offer a variety of sizes and configurations. One thing that really surprised me is how straightforward the assembly was. I actually think metal cabinets like this are easier to put together than many wood furniture pieces. The instructions were clear, all the parts were labeled, and there is even an assembly video to walk you through the process step by step. Inside, there's plenty of storage space with a hanging rod for clothing, and the shelves are adjustable, so you can customize the layout to fit everything, from folded clothes to storage bins and household items. And the 3 drawers add even more organization for smaller essentials. So it's made from a powder-coated steel, so it feels sturdy and durable, while also being resistant to moisture, rust, and corrosion. I also love the modern look. The black finish paired with the gold handles just elevates the style, works well in a bedroom, office, or even a laundry room. Definitely check it out.